Well, hey guys, Scott with BWSR Bushcraft here. Today is June 12, 2023, and I think it's harvest time for these Yukon Golds here. So let's dig around some more and see what we get. Alright guys, I got them all out of there. Yeah, and I got one like rotten one, but I guess that's the way it goes. I mean, look at that. I got like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 good big ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 potatoes out of that. Wow. Got two more bags to go. I only started with 5 pounds of seed potato. And this is what I got back. So I'm going to go get these things cleaned up and, you know, get the soil off of them and maybe see how much, maybe I got 5 pounds here, you know. All right, guys, it's been Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. Till next time, pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.